Hello, for this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to access and customize your Pupsai widget. Okay, so from the dashboard, you'll proceed to the navigation and click on Widget, then click on the Widget Code tab. Here, you'll have the widget code you'll copy and paste and add to your website to get the widget functionality. To make modifications, you'll click to the Settings tab. You can change the name, customize it to make your own. So probably we're going to use Chat Agent, and then you can also customize the welcome message. This is what users will see when they first engage with the chat agent. We're gonna say hello, how are you doing today? And then you can also add a link to change the widget icon. This is the image we'll be using for this tutorial. So I'll go ahead and paste the link here. Because it's blue, we're gonna make some modifications so it blends better with the blue icon. Then you click preview. There you have your chat agent here. Chat agent, and it says hello, how are you doing today?